Welcome to our comparison of the hohem iSteady M6 and V3 gimbals. In this video, we will dive into the features and specifications of both products, highlighting what makes each one unique. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or content creator, choosing the right gimbal can make a significant difference in your video quality. Let's get started. When it comes to battery life, the hohem iSteady M6 takes the lead with an impressive 18 hours of usage, making it ideal for long shooting sessions. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady V3 offers a respectable 13 hours, which may be sufficient for shorter outings, but could fall short during extended shoots. For content creators who prioritize longevity, the M6 is the clear choice. In terms of portability, the hohem iSteady V3 shines with its compact design and lightweight build, making it easy to carry around for travel or on-the-go shooting. In contrast, the iSteady M6, while feature-rich, is bulkier and heavier, which might be a consideration for those who prioritize convenience and ease of transport. If you need a gimbal that fits easily into your bag, the V3 is the better option. The hohem iSteady M6 is packed with advanced features such as AI tracking, adjustable fill light, and multiple shooting modes, making it a versatile tool for professional content creation. In contrast, the iSteady V3, while offering solid stabilization and AI tracking, lacks some of the more advanced functionalities found in the M6. For users looking for a comprehensive set of features, the M6 is the standout choice. In conclusion, both the hohem iSteady M6 and V3 gimbals offer excellent stabilization and features tailored for smartphone videography. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize battery life, portability, or advanced functionalities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.